APT is a powerful command line tool used for managing software packages. In this tutorial, I will guide you through using the APT package manager. Here, I will discuss what APT is and different package management operations. Additionally, you will learn to view the package list and version, search for a package, and explore different tasks you can perform with APT. So stay with me until the end of the video. APT smooths the installation, uninstallation, and updating of Linux software packages, handling Debian packages using APT and apt-get tools as the front-end manager for the dpkg backend. Its user-friendly approach simplifies package management for Linux users. The key components of APT are usage. It is used in Debian and Ubuntu front-end for low-level dpkg packages. File extension. The file extension is .deb. Next comes tools. It uses apt-get, apt, and other apt-related commands. Then key features. Dependency resolution, easy automatic package management, and upgrade repository handling invoke the dpkg backend. And finally, dependency handling, resolving dependencies automatically and installing required packages. Do you wonder why APT is the most usable package manager in Debian-based distros? Here are the reasons. User-friendly. APT provides a user-friendly interface. Then, its pinning feature. It helps install various package versions from different repositories. Next comes available flag. APT provides additional flags like -y or -yes and -s or -simulate option. And at last, customization. If anyone wants to configure according to his need, then he can edit the configuration file. Managing packages means installing, removing, searching, handling a repository, and showing information about a package. Now I will illustrate all these with practical examples for a clear understanding. With APT, you can install single packages, multiple packages, and Debian files. At first, let's demonstrate how to install single packages. For that, open your terminal and type sudo apt install curl. Hit enter. Look, this command has installed the curl package. Now clearing my screen for the second example. To install multiple packages with one command, type sudo apt install gedit apache2 vlc. Hit enter. You can see that all the packages installed simultaneously. Again clearing my screen. Now the interesting part. You can also install a Debian file using APT. But for that, you have to download the Debian file to your system. You can see that I have already downloaded the Debian file of TeamViewer. To install the file, I will use the command sudo apt install / and the file name. I will copy the file name from the terminal. Now pasting it here, hit enter, and it's done. TeamViewer is downloaded. If you want, you can also install a specific version of a package. For that, type sudo apt install apache2 =, and the version name 2.4.52-1 Ubuntu 4.7. You can select your preferred version from the package website, and this command will download the specific version of Apache. Suppose you had installed a package, but now you don't need that. In that case, you can uninstall it with the remove option. To remove a single package, type sudo apt remove gedit. Hit enter. See, I have removed the gedit package using this command. If you want, you can also uninstall multiple packages at the same time. So type sudo apt remove and the package's name apache2 curl vlc. Look, all the packages I listed have been removed. Now, to uninstall any unnecessary packages that are not required anymore, you can use the command sudo apt auto remove. See, this command has removed all unnecessary packages from my system. Using apt, Uninstalling a package with configuration files is also possible with the purge option. To purge a package, type sudo apt purge apache2. Hit enter and purging is done for apache2. For purging multiple packages at the same time, use the command sudo apt purge curl gedit vlc. Hit enter. Look, all the listed packages are purged successfully. Sometimes you may want to install the failed packages that have not been installed. In that case, you can use the reinstall command. For example, I want to reinstall the VLC package. So typing in the terminal sudo apt reinstall VLC. Hit enter and this command has reinstalled VLC in your system. Now moving to update and upgrade. With APT, you can update the full system and also single and multiple packages. Let's update the packages first. Type sudo apt update. And my system is updated. Now let's check the upgradable packages list. Type sudo apt list -- upgradable. Look, I have only one package in my upgradable list. Now if you wish to upgrade your system, type sudo apt upgrade and my system is upgraded. If you wish to upgrade a specific package, you can also do so. Suppose now I want to upgrade nano. So type sudo apt upgrade nano. And look, nano is upgraded. Now let's know how to do full distribution upgrade. The apt upgrade command upgrades all the installed packages except for the packages that create conflict for their dependencies. To upgrade these kinds of packages, run sudo apt dist upgrade. If you have any packages like this in your system, this command will upgrade those. If users need to know the package list, they may use the apt command. To see the list of all available packages, run sudo apt list. And in the terminal, all the installed available installation packages on the system are displayed. To check the installed Debian packages, run sudo apt list -- installed. See, all the packages that I have installed earlier and installed locally have been displayed. Again, to see if a package is installed or not, use the command sudo apt -qq list nano. See, the package nano which I checked has been installed already. For your information, you can use the -q option instead of the -qq option. It will show the same output. Rather, you can also use list -- installed to see if one specific package is installed or not. Type sudo apt list -- installed vertical bar grep nano. You can see that this command gives the output that nano is installed already. If you want to see a specific package version and repository from which it belongs, then run sudo apt policy nano. Look, the version and repository have been shown. To search a package in the repository, we can use the search command. I want to search the ZFS package. So typing sudo apt search ZFS. Here it is. This is how you can search for any package. To view all the information about a package, such as version, package name and origin, use the show option. Suppose I want to view the details of VLC package. So typing sudo apt show VLC and all the information of VLC are listed on the terminal. Repository handling means adding and removing a repository. Let's learn with example. If you want to add a repository with apt, you have to follow two steps. Firstly, you have to add the repository's dpkg key. This verifies the authenticity of the packages. To add the key, you have to run this command You can see in the terminal it displays OK, which means the key has been added. Secondly, once the key has been added, then you can install and add the repository. To add the repository, type sudo apt add repository and the link. I am copying the link, single quote, entering the link and closing the single quote again. Hit enter. See, the operator repository is added to my directory. Now we will learn to remove a repository with apt. To remove a repository from the directory, you can use the remove option with the add command. For example, and again the repository link in the single quote, I am removing the operator repository that I added recently, and the repository is removed. To see the description of all packages, use the help option. Run sudo apt help and the description is displayed. If you want to remove all the unused old repositories, then use the command sudo apt auto clean and this command will clean your system. See, it's done. To list all the dependencies that a package depends on, you can use the depends command. So run sudo apt depends vlc. Here vlc is the package for which I want to check all dependencies. And you can see the list of dependencies of the vlc package. If you want to see the broken dependencies of a package, use the command sudo apt-get check nano. This command will list the broken dependencies for nano. Hit enter, look at the terminal. As it has no broken dependencies, it did not show any dependency error. But if the package had any, it would be displayed here. To know the list of the files and the location of installed packages, then you can use the dpkg tool, which is the backend of the apt package manager. So run sudo dpkg-L nano. Hit enter. Here you can see the terminal is showing the specific package location of nano. That's all for apt command. Till now, I have shown the key components, usages and examples of how to manage software with apt. Hope this will be easier for beginners to learn about apt package managers.